Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kirsten, and I do lifestyle and Disney vlogs. And today I'm going to take you on a room tour of our room here at Coronado Springs in the Destino Tower with a king-size bed. So we are staying here for 4 nights, and then we'll be transferring over to our next resort. Today we are staying in room 747. So I'm going to take you in and show you our room so that way you can see what this type of room would be like and if this would be suited for you. Let's go. So you do have your key band, your magic band card here. I just kind of left myself in. And then we walk into our room here. It is a very spacious area here. No furniture, no nothing or anything like that. When you come in, you are going to have your restroom off to your left-hand side. And as you walk in, you see a beautiful double vanity here with a beautiful sink. It has towels and storage containers here, and then a waste bin receptacle over on that side. We also have some of the Disney Resorts products here. And on the right-hand side, we have a rainfall shower. No tub, with your products off to the side and a little cubby hole to hold your stuff. Towel hang and 2 light switches. One light switch does do just the light for the shower. The other one does the light switch for the mirror. You also do have your cosmetics mirror here on the side if anybody was concerned. And then you do have what we would consider a water closet or just a toilet room, which has a spare roll of toilet paper, your toilets, some extra towels, and your toilet paper. Now, it does look like with this switch, you can turn it. Oh, nope, that is your fan. I so apologize. Off. And then you would have your light here. This does have a pull closed door. Not quiet. So, and it does have your button here, which then pulls out your latch. Turning all the way back around, coming out of the bathroom and coming into the main room. Hello, hubby.
Hello.
We do have our wardrobe here with our extra blankets, some hanging areas, your luggage rack, ironing board, 2 shelves. It looks like your steam iron here. You do have a safe, and you do have laundry bags if you need something done. Light comes on as you open the door and then close it as you may. There is a full-length mirror on this side, so that way you can double check your outfit for the day. Coming into the room some more, right next to the wardrobe, you do have your, I guess, another luggage area. I'm not 100% sure. And coming across for the desk aspect of this, you do have a light which has 2 plugs, 2 regular plugs on it. Your coffee station with your ice bucket, your areas, and more storage space up there. As you come all the way down here, this is where your fridge is hiding. Now, this fridge, unlike others, does not say that it only cools to 41 degrees. So does it cool colder than that and work for milk products? I am not 100% sure. So the only plugs here on your area are going to be these 2 here on your light, and it does look like you have 2 USBs here. on with the music. And then we have 3 drawers as we come down. Drawers do look a little spacious. They're about one of my hand width deep, so not overly deep. Staying at Coronado, this is a moderate resort. You do not get housekeeping every day. You get housekeeping services every other day. Then we have your trash can and your recycling bin, your lovely app here with a light and a table. If I say her name, she will come to life. Hubby has the chair.
It's a very comfy chair.
Is it a comfy chair?
It's a comfy chair.
Okay. We do have a view of the parking lot and the front of the Destino Tower, where you can see Hollywood Studios off in the distance over here. Coming on around, we have a beautiful mirrored art piece and a couch. No, this is not a secondary bed. It is just a couch. And you do have 2 little ottoman tables here. Coming on around, we have your first nightstand here, 3 more drawers where you have your phone service, 2 outlets, a light that seems to work, the light up there on the headboard. Now in your, on this lamp here, same thing, 2 regular plugs, 2 USBs, and you do have your reading lamps here in this room. King size bed, as you know, that's what type of room we decided to get this time, and coming over with an identical lamp and nightstand 3 drawer piece for us. Another pretty much full length mirror here, only I think this one's more for decoration than for actual good use. For those concerned and worried, here is your thermostat where you can change the temperature, and 2 more outlets there. This is one of the newer style beds, so you can, if you don't have, if you have a ton of suitcases, you can store them under there if the luggage racks don't work for you. And that is pretty much the room tour here at Coronado Springs in the Gran Destino Tower. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit the little notification button, because I'd love to see where you guys want us to stay next, so that way you can get a feel for whatever's coming for you and what's next. But please like and subscribe, hit the little notification button, turn the little red button to gray, and let's become internet besties, because I can't wait to share with you what is upcoming on our trip and to see where else you want us to stay. Until next time, bye guys.